So these are what you're gonna need to make your little bird feeder. This is a candlestick, and you can get one similar from a shop like Dollar Tree or the Pound Shop, or even just a charity shop, thrift store. This is a gigantic mug, which is actually a planter for a tiny plant. And this is just a small vintage saucer. Again, this came from a charity shop for me, cost me 20 pence. And then this magic is called Bostik Fix and Flash. It is a light powered, strong super glue type substance. And then you can put this kind of stuff outside and it'll be grand. So we are just going to get started. This is going to be the easiest DIY ever because all we're doing is sticking everything together. And then we're going to fill this bad boy with bird seed and stick it outside for the birds. Ooh. So it comes out pretty quickly, and I don't actually have to squeeze as hard as I thought I would. I don't think you're going to be able to see it because it is clear. Just whenever you are getting started with your Bostik pen, you're going to have to unscrew it and then pierce a hole inside the little super glue tube because this is refillable. The battery, I think, is just a little guy. Yeah, battery's a little guy. They can be replaced also in there. So you access everything from the top. So I don't need to worry about this glue setting super quickly until we get that light source on it. So let's just attach that like that and try to see it from above. See if it's even. Yeah, it looks even to me. What do you say, guys? What do you say? So, oops. Let's just turn that light on. Pushing again. I have no doubt that the cat will be over as soon as she sees this, so I am hoping that she doesn't. I'm just going to twist this round just to get even light across the entire little set of like glue, where the glue's been spread, sorry. Concentrating on twisting, can't concentrate on words. Of course, but of course. And honestly, I couldn't tell you if I've already done the whole twist round, but I'm just going to keep going and then come back again. I am thrilled with this because I have so many projects to do for spring, like bird feeders. I want to make quite a few of these because my neighbour has a massive tree and actually there are lots of trees behind us as well, and there are so many birds that fly around. The cat just shouts at them all day long, and I want to create little feeders and like a little bird bath and stuff. So being able to do it with all of the little vintage accessories that I have, oh look at that, beautiful. So being able to do that with all these like vintage accessories that I got and things that I got for 20 cents, this was a gift. So let me just take a look at this. I think because of the size and the way this plate curves up, I don't actually need to do an awful lot of work in terms of centering it. I just want to flip it over quickly so you can see what it's going to look like whenever it's going in the ground. Now, as I said, there are a lot of birds around here, so I made this massive for just a lot of bird seed. Want to get those puppies fat. It's also really cold still, so I'm sure they would be very, very beautiful. So let's do this one carefully, that it's not as thick as the top of that candlestick was. Dainty little, oh fart, dainty little lines. Oops. Careful, careful, careful. Careful, careful, careful. Going on the whole way. Okay, so, ooh, whoops. That doesn't really matter because it's going to be hidden. Nobody's going to see it, not even the birds. I doubt they would care very much. So let's try this. Okay. Now, of course, with this glue, you do have time to reposition before you adjust your lights, or before you apply the lights. So I'm trying to look at this from all angles so that I don't, whoops. Yep, there we go. And the little light again. We'll go the whole way around. I'll start from the handle to make this a little easier so I know when I've done the whole way around. So all you have to do is actually apply the light source for like 15 seconds. But because I am covering quite a large area, I want to just go around, make sure that it's getting an even amount of light. I'm not sure how much sound that this camera picks up on, but my cat is going, Pippers, you know Pippers, she is going absolutely buck mad running up and down the stairs. I'm just waiting for her to come in and see me playing with this fancy purple light. She's gonna go crazy. I think I know what I'm gonna be doing for the rest of my day. Okay, so we're going around this twice. That has most definitely been 15 seconds, I am certain. And that's that puppy flipping dry. Can you believe that? It's ready to go. All I need to do is fill this bad boy with birdseed and then take you outside to kind of bury in between my plants. What you can do is get like copper pipe, just a piece of copper pipe, and do the same thing there if you want to really secure it into the ground. But I am certain, because of the width and the way I plan to bury it within my plants, that I don't need that. That may change, but I am almost certain, because this is pretty short. This only goes to here, so the copper pipe inside probably won't actually help me as much as I would like. Ideally, the copper pipe would go up to this level just to secure it. But again, as I said, I'm going to pack that mud around that and just have it poking out in between the plants just to make it all pretty for the bees and the flowers. Right? That looks great. I am so excited about this project. Right now we want to dig a little hole so we can bury our candlestick. It doesn't need to be deep. Just poke it in and start patting the soil around just to keep it secure. And that's you. It's done. Leave a comment below if you have ever made a little DIY bird feeder and what you did to make it. I can't wait to hear what you've made.